In the vast savanna of Africa, King Simba ruled the Pride Lands with wisdom and strength, just as his father Mufasa had before him. Beside him stood Queen Nala, and together they had a spirited and adventurous daughter named Kiara. As the heir to the throne, Kiara was eager to explore the world beyond Pride Rock, despite her father's protective instincts. One day, while venturing into the outlands, a territory forbidden to her, Kiara encountered Kovu, a young lion cub. Kovu was the chosen successor of Scar, Simba's treacherous uncle, and was raised by Zira, a lioness who harbored a deep hatred for Simba and sought revenge for Scar's death. Despite their initial distrust, Kiara and Kovu formed a bond, unaware of the tumultuous history between their families. Simba, discovering Kiara's encounter, forbade her from seeing Kovu again. However, Zira saw an opportunity to use Kovu to infiltrate Simba's pride and exact her revenge. She trained Kovu to earn Simba's trust, hoping to ultimately overthrow him. As Kovu grew, he was torn between his loyalty to Zira and his genuine feelings for Kiara. In a staged rescue, Kovu saved Kiara from a wildfire set by Zira and her followers. This act of bravery earned him a place in Simba's pride, where he began to learn about their way of life. Kiara and Kovu's friendship blossomed into love, and Kovu's heart started to change. He no longer wished to follow Zira's path of vengeance. However, Zira's plans came to light, and Simba, feeling betrayed, banished Kovu from the Pride Lands. Kiara, heartbroken and determined to reunite with Kovu, ran away to find him. Together, they decided to return to the Pride Lands and confront their families, hoping to bring peace between the two rival groups. In a dramatic confrontation, Kiara and Kovu stood before their respective prides, pleading for unity. Zira, consumed by her desire for revenge, attacked Simba, leading to a fierce battle. During the fight, Zira fell into a raging river and was swept away, unable to let go of her hatred. With Zira gone, the lions from both prides began to see the possibility of a united future. Simba, moved by Kiara and Kovu's courage and love, welcomed the Outlanders into the Pride Lands, ending the long-standing feud. Kiara and Kovu's union symbolized a new era of harmony and cooperation. As the sun set over the Pride Lands, Kiara and Kovu stood atop Pride Rock, embraced by their families. Together, they looked forward to a future where lions of all backgrounds could live in peace, guided by the wisdom of the past and the hope of a brighter tomorrow. And so, the legacy of Mufasa lived on through Simba, Kiara, and Kovu, proving that love and understanding can heal even the deepest of rifts, and that true strength comes from unity. The end.